Okay, Fish Fam, Wi-Fi here, locally known as Jason, internationally known as the deranged Easter Bunny. I got a box in the mail. Let's see what it is. It is from Marion, Indiana, I think. No names. Hope you enjoy and have a Merry Christmas. Let's see what it is. Oh, I love Christmas. I love Christmas. SpongeBob SquarePants, Sandy. It's odd that I know who Sandy is. What else do we have? Oh, an aeration lighthouse. This will be fun. We'll have to find a tank to put it in. Well, I guess whoever sent this is really secret, because I don't have a name. But anyway, I just wanted to show everybody Sandy and the lighthouse. So whoever sent this, thank you very much, and have a Merry, Merry Christmas.